In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on this Nissan Rogue. It's going to be on the back side of the engine. Let's get into it. Reaching in through the passenger side inner wheel well, I can reach to the connector. You just want to push down on the tab and disconnect the connector. Disconnect that connector. Now using a 10mm socket, I'm going to take the bolt out. Pull that bolt out, grab the sensor. Just going to twist it back and forth a little bit. There we go. Pull that out. I'm going to take the new sensor. Just get this lined up. And push it in place. Get the bolt hole lined up. And get the bolt started. And tighten that down. And tighten that down. If you can get a torque wrench in there, you want to torque that to 62 inch-pounds. Now take the connector, line it up, and plug it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.